How to make an Elena Ruz sandwich. First, you cut some strawberries and fry them in a little bit of tallow or butter. After that, you put a good amount of sugar. Then you squeeze a little bit of lemon or lime in with the strawberries. You let that boil while you cut some chicken. Cut and cut until you have enough chicken for the sandwich. Then get 2 pieces of sweet bread and some cream cheese. Toast the breads. After the strawberries have been boiled in sugar, for a good while, put them in the refrigerator to cool off. Spread the cream cheese on one of the breads. Then add the chicken to that bread. After that, add the strawberry jam. Put the other bread on top and you got a Elena Ruz sandwich.